Hello, and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Monday, November 16th. Here's what you'll see in this presentation. We're looking for rain and some high elevation snow returning to the central Idaho mountains starting Tuesday night. Elsewhere, it'll be on Wednesday. I look for a dusting to 3 inches below 7,500 feet, but above that, it'll be a wide range, 3 to 12 inches above that elevation. For the Snake River Plain, though, it will be rain mostly. And then for the highlands above 6,500 feet, about half to 4 inches of rain, of snow rather, and rain below that. I look for the snow to taper off on Thursday morning, and then the next chance for snow and rain is again, this is possible. It's still not very definite, but if it does occur, the earliest would be Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. Okay, here's the current satellite view. You can see the cloudiness moving through Idaho right now. That is bringing some snow to us today, the leftovers. All warnings, watches, and advisories have expired during the overnight hours. We're not expecting any significant additional snow today. A lot of it will basically wrap up from west to east and from south to north. So the last place for it to end would be the northeast corner of our forecast area in the Island Park areas. But still some active snow, especially in the central Idaho mountains. It's hard to see, but it's mostly a westerly flow instead of southwest, and so that makes it pretty good for our northern, especially the northern half of the central Idaho mountains. Here's the impact. Again, just a chance of snow in the Snake River Plain. That would be it would really have to be Idaho Falls northward pretty much. Just a limited area. The Magic Valley, there's a slight chance, but it's not very high. The same with the South Hills to the south of there and the Southeast Highlands. So the further north you are, the better the chance. And so the really only significant chance, and even that's, as you can see, a minimal impact, would be the eastern highlands and Victor, Driggs, and Island Park area. Elsewhere, just chance of snow for the Lost River area, and then snow, again, light snow for the Wood River, Sawtooth, and Lemhi County. Most of us will be getting a break tonight, and then most of Tuesday, in fact, all of Tuesday day, and then Tuesday night it'll start to move in again. You can see the nighttime snow moving into the Sawtooth area really is the only place it's a definite. Everywhere else in the central Idaho mountains it's a chance. And then the snow and rain come in force for Wednesday. It tapers off on Thursday, as you can see here, and then for the anywhere along the Wyoming border on Friday morning there is a chance that snow may linger. And again, that's mostly the higher elevations. It really has to be above 7,500 feet, so it doesn't affect a whole lot of places, unless you're expecting to drive over something like Galena Summit. So let's look at the high temperature. You can see how warm it's going to get today. Pocatello area will struggle to the upper 40s. It'll definitely be in the lower 50s for places like Burley. So again, a wide range. Again, the northern half a little bit more cloudy, so a little bit colder. Here's the lows tonight, getting back below freezing. It was kind of mild during the overnight hours tonight, in some places at least. And then here's the high temperatures for tomorrow. You can see again a warming trend as the skies are clear for the most part during the day Tuesday. And then Tuesday night starts to cloud up, so it's a little bit more mild over the central Idaho mountains where the clouds will be. But you can see the clouds even reach the Pocatello area with overnight lows only in the 40s. A lot of this too is the winds will be more active at night, and when you have more active winds at night, that usually means the temperatures are more mild. Look for high temperatures here on Wednesday. You can see they're now starting to fall with the cloud cover and the rain and the snow. Overnight, temperatures getting significantly colder. You can see it changing to all snow for the central Idaho mountains. It's all in blue. But places like Pocatello, it's going to be an all rain event. You can see we're staying at 35. Idaho Falls a little bit more questionable. You can see where it's getting right down to the freezing mark. And here the high temperatures should be back into the 40s for Thursday. Again, the snow will come in the morning if there is any left over. Skies will start to clear. And then for Friday and Saturday, they look nice and sunshiny, but still kind of cold. Looking for Saturday morning, the lows will be in the teens on Saturday morning, and it will struggle to get in, to near 40, even in places like Pocatello and Idaho Falls on Friday and Saturday. So it'll be still, those are below normal temperatures. This is right around normal, what you see here. Again, the winds here on Tuesday, you can see it's mostly windy in the southwest corner of our forecast areas, so south central Idaho. On Wednesday in the afternoon, it picks up a little bit, just enough. You might see some drifting of snow on US 20 and 26 there, where it goes over INL property. Does intensify there on Thursday after most of the precipitation has ended, so some chance for some drifting. Here's the snowfall amounts for this morning. This is, again, just leftover snow. You can see, again, it's mostly affecting the northern half of our forecast area. By this afternoon, you can see it dwindles to basically less than an inch, even at places like Island Park. And then Tuesday evening, when it returns, you can see, again, it starts fairly high. It is getting to Galena Summit, at least a dusting there of 1/10 to 1 inch. You see it does intensify after midnight into the morning hours here for the Tuesday overnight. Continues that way Wednesday morning. You see it finally starts in eastern Idaho on the edge with the border with Wyoming. Continues Wednesday afternoon, lets up a little bit because it does get warmer, snow levels get higher. And then so here's how it looks like in 24-hour amounts. You can see it's 6 to 8 inches, but that's pretty high. You basically have to get to Mount, the Galena Summit elevations. So we're looking at 7,000, 8,000 feet, somewhere in there is where the really heavy snow will fall. Below that, where it's blues, it is lighter snow, not as much of an impact. So most of this will be limited to small portions of passes here in the Central Idaho Mountains, and as you can see, mostly in Blaine and western Custer County. Thursday, you can see how much lighter it is as it wraps up. So once again, after the snow this morning, what little is left, we get a break basically until Tuesday night, and then intensifies on Wednesday morning. That's when it sort of peaks, and then it sort of starts dying down Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday. It just continues. Some places, if you're above 7,500 feet, could be significant. And then snow rain is possible again on Sunday afternoon. Again, very iffy for that time frame, but it's certainly a possibility. That's all I have. If you have any questions, you can contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.